Okay, this drawing is for the Inktober prompt bulky. I'm doing a drawing here of an exaggerated drawing of my hands holding my cell phone, or what that feels like. I'm always feeling like my cell phone is way too small, my hands are too big, especially my thumbs, to do any kind of effective messaging. So right now I'm using a thicker line weight, and you'll see throughout the drawing that I use various line weights. Don't use the same kind of line weight in your drawing. It's boring, and you need to feed variety into your line work and into your drawing. This drawing is just going to be pure line. I'm not really incorporating shadow. I will make areas darker or lighter to create contrast, but I'm not trying to do any shading or create volume. I'm just letting my line work do the talking here, not the shadow. I use various pens. I use the Micron pens, and I use a Copic brush pen to get different kinds of line weight when I draw. Just doing some detail, switching up to thinner pens for the detail work, adding the veins into the hand. For transition, you'll see when the veins go into the skin, I transition by breaking the line and converting it into dots. A little texture like hair or skin follicles where maybe there used to be hair. See, I darken those areas with line to push the thumb forward, but I'm not shading. I'm making sure those lines follow the contour of the form. Okay, so always think of the contour, think of the form, which direction you need to be drawing those lines. And I'm doing the background. I didn't want to just color in the background, and lately I've been using a scribble technique to block in the background, but that gets redundant, so I'm thinking of a different kind of pattern or method to darken my background without coloring it in. So I use these hatching lines that I trade off horizontally or vertically. It's pretty time consuming, actually. I can't say I enjoyed doing this background, but I did enjoy the end result. And that's actually a big part of art making too. You know, a lot of times we don't enjoy the process, but when we stick with it and we like the result, then process is worth it. Adding the veins on that side. Again, hair, follicles, etc. A little bit of detail. I don't want to cover too many white spaces. I like that breathability. I want some of that white paper to shine through pristine. And there you go.